Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a good trading week. If you enjoy any part of this video, please drop it a like and subscribe for more. Today we'll be looking at two different no deposit Forex bonuses available. First, FBS Online Broker. FBS Online Broker offers CFD and Forex for you to trade and offer a level up bonus where you get 140 up to 140 to start your trading. What this means is that they'll give you the opportunity to test both their app and trading platform with your level up bonus. There are a few different steps, however, they are quite simple. First, you need to open a level up bonus account to get $70 free in the FBS personnel area and $140 free in the FBS personal area app. So let's quickly go through the different steps. As I've said, the first step is to register for the $70 account and trade for 20 days and you get your profit. You will also need to verify your email address. So it's very simple to just register with Gmail. Next, if you scan or open the app area, you will get another 140 free for the app. Join on Facebook to connect your account and pass a simple test from the educational materials provided. Start trading where you have 40 days left to trade 20 of them and withdraw your profit. Very important for the 140. This is for the FBS Trading Broker app, so you will need to have access to Google Play or the App Store to be able to access the app. The profit is yours, so experience their first-class trading systems, co-brokerage coverage, and spreads, and experience the trading world for yourself. A couple of frequently asked questions is how to get the mobile app bonus. You can get it directly in the FPS personal area. If you simply register online on the web personal area, you will get your $70 free. If you want to activate both of the bonuses, just follow the process as follows. So next we are going to open the account and see what the process entails. So I'm going to simply register with a Gmail account for this promotion. So inside the promotion areas, we'll see the level up bonus account. So each of these promotions do have their own terms and conditions. So for the $70, you will only need to verify your email and you'll get the $70 free. Once you download the FBS Trading Broker to double your bonus and get an additional $70. So once you've opened the account, you will be able to access the app directly and download it to your phone. Remember, you will need this as an additional verification if you'd like to double your bonus. After that, connect your Facebook account and pass the simple test. It is very important for each of these promotions to take a closer look at the general terms and conditions of the promotion. Very importantly, they do have the promo flow for both the web personnel area and the mobile personal area, where it gives you a detailed walkthrough, and please ensure that you cannot maximum 5 days missed in the process to be able to withdraw your profits. Please take the time and read through all of the terms and conditions. One I'd recommend, if there's a specific one that you have a question about, reach out to the help chat for FBS. Very important, let's look at the characteristics of the account. It is on the standard account on the MT5 platform, and it is displayed like a demo account until you fulfill those level up bonus conditions. It is a USD account with a leverage of 1 to 100. Maximum number of positions opened at the same time is 5, but very important for us, there is additional rules for disqualification. The following options are prohibited: locking, hedging, expert advisors, and ladder strategies. These will have a disqualification and closure of your account. It is important to understand that the broker offer these accounts as a way for you to experience the platform firsthand. I would recommend for my new traders to take advantage of this from different brokers so you can experience the slippage, the latency, and the market execution speeds for that specific broker. Next, we are going to move on to XM Global for their $30 trading bonus. XM Global is another highly regulated online broker offering both Forex and CFDs. They do have quite a few different promotions running, so make sure to periodically check these and see what is available. Not only do they have a trading bonus, but also deposit bonus and referral program. For those of you that are trading with expert advisors, they do also offer a free VPS service, which means that you have an increased speed of trades. So make sure to check that out for more details. For today, let's take a closer look at the $30 trading bonus. So XM offers to clients, in other words, it's a non-refundable credit just for opening your first real account. It allows you to test the products and services by start trading with no initial deposit. So there's no deposit required. All profits earned can be withdrawn, automatically credited to your account, and it is available to new clients. Now, I know that these promotions are region locked, so make sure to see which one of the two promotions work for you. The $30 trading bonus allows you to test the quality of the execution in a real trading environment with no investment risk. When you claim your bonus, the amount will be credited to your account instantly and can be used for trading. Any profits generated can be withdrawn at any point in time. However, any withdrawal of funds will result in a proportional removal of our trading bonus. So there is a table explaining how it will be removed. The steps are: first open a real account, then log into the member area, provide the relevant documentation and claim your bonus, and last is a voice verification. As with both of these promotions, they do have terms of good use and terms and conditions, so make sure to take the time to read through those. So let's take a look at the process for XM Global. Firstly, you'll need to complete your personal details and your trading account details. Now, XM Global do offer a large variety of account types, so let's take a look at the different account types available by XM Global. As you can see, we do have our standard and micro accounts and the XM low account. So let's take a look at the different trading account types available for the $30 trading bonus. So a micro and standard account, and then an XM ultra low, micro and standard account. Most of the parameters for these two accounts are the same. However, if you look at the spread on the majors for the ultra low account, you'll see it starts from as low as 0.6 pips. The other important difference between the ultra and the regular accounts is the swaps. So make sure to choose the right account for your own trading preferences. In the personnel area, let's continue with the process. Once you have completed all of the personal information for step 1, you are able to proceed to step 2, where you'll need to provide additional information. Under the additional information, you'll find your personal details, address details, and your trading account details. Once you have completed all of this information, make sure to check that you wish to receive the bonus under account bonus. Once you have done all of that, you will be taken to the next step, which is to verify your email. So once we've completed the first two steps, we will need to confirm our email address. Once we have confirmed our email address, we will have access to the member area where we are able to verify our account and download MetaTrader. Once you have received the email, you will have access to the members area where you can claim your $30 trading bonus. To do this, you'll need to verify your account. To do that, simply press the verify your account button. First, it's going to ask you for your common reporting standards and your tax identification number. After that, you will also need to upload documents to verify your person. Once all of these steps have been completed, you will have access to the $30 trading bonus. I know that these promotions vary from country to country, so what I'd like you to do is comment below with your experience using these non-deposit Forex bonuses. If you enjoyed any part of this video, feel free to drop it a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.